Hey guys, welcome to Buildology, and today we're going to be building a snow zoomer. Okay, now we're going to take our servo wire and plug it into channel number 1. This is on Fly Sky receivers. Channel 1 is rotor. Next, we're going to take our speed controller, put some glue on the bottom, try and put it near the edge so that it doesn't interfere with taking in and out the battery. Okay, so I have my Fly Sky transmitter here, and I'm going to plug it in. Should turn on. Now I'm going to turn on my transmitter. And it should push. There's one more thing that's really crucial, which we're going to do right now. Okay, so we need to put tape on the bottom. Okay, so I finished taping the bottom, and we're ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in, and it should turn on. I'm going to turn on the transmitter, and it drives a lot better. So, let's try this out. Okay, so as you can see, I've added a little weight in the front, just to help it from flying up and catching air. Here we go. subscribe, and join me next week. And share this video, please. Bye-bye.